Dear Urban Club partners, this is Nitesh, head of Salon for your cities. Last 3 months have not been the easiest months for any of us. But now it is time for us to take control of our lives and get everything back to normal with utmost safety measures. I am sure you can see in your cities and with government relaxing rules around lockdown, it is truly time to unlock down. All shops are starting to open. There are more than 4,000 Salon partners in India who have started earning and saving on Urban Club and are working every day and doing many jobs. In your hubs alone, there are partners who are saving more than 5,000 6,000 rupees on a daily basis by doing 4 to 5 jobs without compromising on safety. One more thing, the government has relaxed the curfew hours and now we can work till 9 pm. So you will also start getting jobs for the 7 pm slot from now onwards. It is taking customers some time to show confidence on Urban Club, but it is coming faster than what we expected. Our customers are beginning to trust us again, and we are also launching a very high spend marketing campaign for Salon later this week. So demand will not be an issue very soon. Just for your safety, let me repeat this once again. You are not paying even 20% of the cost for the mask, gloves, sanitizers, and that cost will also become zero for all subsequent deliveries of PPE if you are maintaining a minimum activity on the platform. Why Urban Club is doing this? Because these PPE kits are for your safety. If on every job you are using a fresh pair of masks, gloves, and using sanitizer and doing threading by the neck, chances of you contacting any virus from the customer are absolutely near to zero. There is proven medical science behind that. You should also know that Urban Club app does not allow customers from containment zones to even place a request. Another thing, Urban Club in this scenario will stand with its partners, and if you go to a customer's place and you feel they are not well, you can immediately call the helpline and request them to cancel the job. And most importantly, in the application we have started an I am not well button in the help center. If any of our partners are not well, you can click on that button. You don't need to go to work, and Urban Club will pay you 250 rupees per day to rest at home. It's a paid medical leave as if you are company's own employees. In the last 3 months, from whether medical support or financial support or moral support from your category managers, Urban Club has done everything that they could to help out its partners. Now, as demand is coming back, it is time for our partners to step up and take control of their lives and deliver great quality service to maximum number of customers on a daily basis. Thank you so much.